Alright, in this video I'll be lubricating my garage door. For this I got a Jig-a-loo garage door lube. I got it because it was on sale and for no other reason. There's other products out there. I'm sure they are approximately the same. I'm going to do it with the garage door open. You should pull this red cord, which is the quick disconnect, so the garage door doesn't open or close while you're doing this. I'm going to lubricate the arm. You'll see there's a whole bunch of hinges. I think I got about 9 of them. So there's 3 sets of 3. And then on the outside, there are a hinge and roller combination. So those will get lubricated as well. You can see some of them don't have a hinge on the roller pin, and then some of them do. This is just a pin. It's the one on the bottom. The one on the top is the same. There's no hinge, and there you can see 3 of them have the hinge. So anywhere where there's going to be any movement and metal rubbing, I'm going to hit it with some of the lubricant. Again, I'm doing it with the door open for a little bit better lighting. Lubricating the hinges is pretty simple. You just spray the parts that move. If you're going to do it with the garage door open, I recommend having something like a rag so you can catch the drips as they come down. And even if you're going to do it with the garage door closed, it is helpful to have a rag in your hand. So pretty simple to lube most of the parts. For the rollers, these ones just have a pin and there's no bearing. Some of them come with a bearing. Usually they have metal wheels and you can lubricate the bearing as well, but pretty straightforward. Spray the lube into the roller pin, and if you got one, spray the wheel bearing. So now I'm going to close the door and do a few other parts. First part will be this torsion spring. And on each of the ends there's a cable drum. Torsion spring, very simple. Just spray it down. Make sure it's thoroughly lubricated with the garage door lubricant. Nothing too special. Again, if you have a rag or something, it is beneficial to just hold it underneath while you're spraying it. That way all the drips are caught in the rag and they're not dripping on your door or on the floor of the garage. And then for the cable drums, you can put some lube on the drum itself, but there's probably a friction point on the bar somewhere, so you can get that as well. So if you want to do the hinges with the door closed, pretty simple. Like I said, there's not very good lighting in my garage, but it's really the same as doing it with the garage door open. Not too complex. Where metal rubs on metal, hit it with some lube and that's it. Overall, if you got 9 hinges, it shouldn't take you more than 2 or 3 minutes. I'm doing this in real time and I did 6 in about 20 seconds. And the last thing I'm doing is the horizontal and vertical tracks. Here I'm just doing the vertical track. Basically, I'm just spraying the tracks down pretty thoroughly and then taking an old rag and wiping down the lubricant. So a combination of lubricating the tracks as well as cleaning them at the same time. And I'll just wipe off some of the dust on the sensors as well. Overall, super fast and easy job, and it'll keep your garage door operating smoothly and quietly. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.